Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of multiple income streams. In a rapidly changing economy, relying on just one source of income can be risky. That's why more people are exploring ways to diversify their earnings. But what exactly are multiple income streams? Simply put, it means having more than one way to make money, whether through a job, investments, side businesses, or passive income sources. Throughout this video, we'll break down what these streams look like, why they matter, and how you can start building your own. Let's get started by understanding the basics. Multiple income streams refer to having several different ways to earn money, rather than depending on a single paycheck. This could mean combining your main job with freelance work, investments, rental income, or even selling products online. The idea is to create a safety net, so if one stream dries up, others can support you. This approach is becoming increasingly popular as people look for financial security and freedom. In the next scenes, we'll explore the different types of income streams you can develop. Relying on a single source of income can leave you vulnerable to unexpected changes, like job loss or economic downturns. By diversifying your income, you reduce risk and increase your financial stability. Multiple income streams can also help you reach your financial goals faster, whether that's saving for a house, paying off debt, or planning for retirement. Plus, it opens up opportunities to pursue your passions and try new things. Let's look at the main types of income streams you can build. Income streams generally fall into two categories: active and passive. Active income requires your direct involvement, like working a job or freelancing. Passive income, on the other hand, is money you earn with little ongoing effort, such as rental income, dividends, or royalties. Most people start with active income and gradually build passive streams over time. Understanding the difference helps you plan your strategy and balance your efforts for maximum results. Active income is what most people are familiar with. It includes your regular job, part-time work, freelancing, consulting, or any activity where you trade time for money. For example, teaching classes, driving for a rideshare service, or offering graphic design services all count as active income. These streams require your ongoing participation, but they're often the quickest way to start earning extra money. Passive income streams are those that continue to generate money with minimal effort after the initial setup. Think of rental properties, stock dividends, or creating an online course that sells while you sleep. Building passive income usually takes more time and investment upfront, but it can provide long-term financial freedom. We'll explore some popular passive income ideas in the next scenes. For most people, a regular salary is the foundation of their income. It provides stability and predictability, making it easier to plan your finances. However, depending solely on a salary can be risky if your job situation changes. That's why it's wise to use your salary as a starting point and gradually add other income streams for greater security. Freelancing is a flexible way to earn extra money using your skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there are platforms where you can find freelance gigs. This stream allows you to work on your own terms and build valuable experience. It's also a great way to test new career paths or hobbies that could become larger income sources in the future. Launching a side business is another powerful way to create an additional income stream. This could be anything from selling handmade products online, offering consulting services, or starting a small e-commerce store. While it requires effort and planning, a side business can grow into a significant source of income and even replace your main job over time. Investing in the stock market is a classic way to build passive income. By purchasing shares in companies, you can earn dividends and benefit from long-term growth. While investing carries risks, it's a proven strategy for building wealth over time. Start small, learn the basics, and consider diversifying your investments to manage risk. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. Whether it's a single apartment or multiple units, rental income can supplement your earnings and build long-term wealth. Real estate does require upfront investment and ongoing management, but it's a popular choice for those seeking financial independence. Digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or downloadable templates, are a fantastic way to generate passive income. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly with little additional effort. Platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or Etsy make it easy to reach a global audience and scale your earnings. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. This can be done through blogs, social media, or YouTube channels. It's a popular passive income stream because it doesn't require you to create your own products, just effective promotion. If you're a writer, musician, or artist, you can earn royalties from your creative work. This means you receive payments whenever your books are sold, your music is streamed, or your artwork is licensed. Royalties can provide a steady stream of passive income, especially as your portfolio grows over time. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can be a way to earn passive income, though it comes with some risk. Research platforms carefully and diversify your loans to manage potential losses. Creating a YouTube channel can become a significant income stream through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. While it takes time to grow an audience, successful channels can generate passive income as older videos continue to attract views and earnings. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products online without holding inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. This business model can be automated, making it a popular choice for those seeking passive income with minimal upfront costs. Print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters without managing inventory. When someone orders, the item is printed and shipped by a third party. This model is great for creative entrepreneurs looking to monetize their designs with minimal risk. If you have programming skills, developing mobile apps or software can be a lucrative income stream. Apps can generate revenue through sales, subscriptions, or ads. While development takes time, successful apps can provide ongoing passive income as users continue to download and use them. Photographers can earn passive income by selling their images on stock photo platforms. Once uploaded, your photos can be purchased by businesses, designers, or marketers worldwide. This is a great way to monetize your photography skills and build a portfolio that pays over time. Dividend investing involves buying shares in companies that pay regular dividends. These payments provide a steady stream of passive income, which can be reinvested to grow your portfolio even faster. It's a popular strategy for those seeking reliable, long-term earnings. Creating an online community, such as a membership site or forum, can generate recurring income through subscriptions or exclusive content. As your community grows, so does your earning potential. This approach works well for those with expertise or a passion for a specific topic. If you invent a product or develop a unique idea, you can license it to companies in exchange for royalties. This allows you to earn money from your creativity without handling manufacturing or sales. Licensing can be a powerful way to generate passive income from intellectual property. Network marketing, or multi-level marketing, involves selling products directly to consumers and earning commissions from your sales and those of your recruits. While it's not for everyone, some people build substantial income streams through network marketing by leveraging their social networks. Owning a franchise allows you to operate a business with an established brand and support system. While it requires significant investment, franchises can provide a reliable income stream and the potential for expansion. This option is best for those ready to commit to a long-term business venture. Automated online stores use tools and software to handle inventory, orders, and customer service. This reduces your workload and allows your store to operate around the clock. With the right products and marketing, an automated store can become a significant passive income stream. Subscription box businesses deliver curated products to customers on a regular basis, such as monthly or quarterly. This model provides predictable, recurring revenue and can be tailored to a wide range of interests, from food to beauty to hobbies. Owning and operating vending machines can be a hands-off way to earn extra income. Once machines are placed in high-traffic locations, they require minimal maintenance and can generate steady cash flow. This business is scalable and can be expanded over time. If you own a vehicle, renting it out through car-sharing platforms can provide an additional income stream. This is especially profitable in busy cities or tourist destinations. With proper management, car rental can become a reliable source of passive income. Unused space in your home, garage, or property can be rented out for storage. Many people and businesses need affordable storage solutions, making this a simple way to earn extra money with minimal effort. If you enjoy crafting or making handmade products, selling them online can be a rewarding income stream. Platforms like Etsy make it easy to reach customers worldwide. This stream combines creativity with entrepreneurship and can grow into a full-time business. Sharing your knowledge through online classes or tutoring can generate both active and passive income. Once you create a course, it can be sold repeatedly. Live tutoring sessions offer immediate earnings, while recorded courses provide ongoing revenue. Podcasting is a growing field where creators can earn money through sponsorships, listener donations, and advertising. Building an audience takes time, but successful podcasts can generate passive income as episodes continue to attract downloads. Self-publishing books or ebooks allows writers to earn royalties directly from sales. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle, direct publishing make it easy to reach readers worldwide. With the right marketing, your books can provide a steady stream of passive income. With so many options, it's important to develop a clear plan for building your income streams. Start by assessing your skills, interests, and resources. Set realistic goals and prioritize streams that align with your strengths. Remember, it's better to focus on a few streams and do them well than to spread yourself too thin. Balancing multiple income streams requires good time management. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and productivity apps to stay organized. Schedule dedicated time for each stream and avoid multitasking. Remember, consistency is key to building sustainable income over time. As your income streams grow, managing your finances becomes more important. Track your earnings and expenses for each stream. Use budgeting tools or accounting software to stay on top of your cash flow. This will help you identify which streams are most profitable and where to focus your efforts. Multiple income streams can complicate your taxes. Keep detailed records of all your earnings and expenses. Consider consulting a tax professional to ensure you're compliant and taking advantage of any deductions. Proper tax planning can save you money and prevent headaches down the road. Once you've established a few income streams, look for ways to scale them. This might mean automating processes, outsourcing tasks, or reinvesting profits to grow your business. Scaling allows you to increase your earnings without working more hours. Building multiple income streams isn't always easy. You may face setbacks, time constraints, or learning curves. Stay persistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach. Remember, every successful entrepreneur faced obstacles along the way. One of the best ways to succeed is to learn from others who have built multiple income streams. Read books, listen to podcasts, or join online communities where people share their experiences and tips. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can inspire and motivate you. The world of work and business is always changing. Stay adaptable by keeping up with trends, learning new skills, and being open to new opportunities. Flexibility will help you adjust your income streams as needed and stay ahead of the curve. As you build your income streams, remember to celebrate your progress. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step toward financial freedom. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated and focused on your long-term goals. Regularly review your income streams to see what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to pivot or drop streams that aren't profitable. Continuous improvement is key to building a sustainable and rewarding portfolio of income sources. In summary, building multiple income streams is a powerful way to achieve financial security and freedom. Start small, focus on your strengths, and gradually expand your portfolio. With patience and persistence, you can create a more stable and rewarding financial future. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start is now.